Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here on a move-in cleaning for a property manager. Property manager is located out of state, but we service them. And what we're doing, we're making this video. Why? Because we send them it so they know how great the carpets are going to come out. As you can see, I'm preparing the carpets. We got some screws on the floor, some nails, different type of things here. And we're going to do a vacuum over it, pre-vacuum. We'll show you that here in a second. And then we're going to go ahead and get to it. As you can see, we have some pet stains in here. So we're going to put a deodorizer down, get those odors out here. We have 1, 2, some pet stains in here. Hallway, 3. Hopefully the blue stain comes out if it's a natural stain. So we got 3 rooms so far, hallway, and then we have a living room, okay? So we do have our pricing here. I'll show you that pricing list here, of course, for this type of cleaning. Now, the good thing about our company here, like I said, the customer's not here. They're from out of state. They're an investor in this beautiful area that we have, Harrisburg. And, we're going to show them exactly what we're going to be doing here. I'm not going to leave this here. We're just going to sit there for now. But as you can see, we'll pull up our information. Give you an idea. All right, so we're going to go to our customer here. We actually let them know 30 minutes before we're coming out. We know we're on our way. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and let them know when we got started, okay? And then we're going to let them know, when we're getting complete, all right? So we're all finished. We'll let them know we're complete. We'll finish it up, and then we'll send them over the invoice, okay? Let them know, they don't even have to be here. We can just go ahead and send it right off to them, all right? And what that does is that gives you a nice peace of mind. You always know what's going on inside the home, okay? Every single time, all right? No one's, because you're not here. So we just want to make sure you let you know what's going on. So as you see, this is the living room, all right? We're definitely going to mix up our solution here, get everything done. We're going to do a pre-vacuum. Make sure we get all the sediment and stuff off the floor. The apartment's actually pretty nice. Look, they have higher ceilings, integrated lighting, all that good stuff, all right? Pretty nice apartment. So stay with me, stick tuned as we go ahead and get this clean. All right, here we go. We got the pre-vacuuming going here. As you see, we're getting all the stuff out. Got some dog hair on here. Let's see. Go ahead and get this up. are in here. We're getting ready to do our carpet process. This pad here has hog hair in it. It's going to agitate and scrub the floor. So what's that agitation means? It's pretty much like you putting your shampoo in your hair and you're rubbing your shampoo in, all right? That's your agitation, okay? You're just not putting the shampoo down and rinsing it right out. All right, so we're gonna scrub the floor. As you see, we got our solution ready to go. We mixed a couple of different solutions from different companies just to go ahead and make our thing the one. I wanna show you a picture here of what we're doing here. Look at this here, all right? Carpet cleaning, you know, a lot of like, what's steam, you know? Steam came out here. This is an old picture back in the 1800s. Look at me. Look at that. There's a horse and buggy. All right. This is a suction carpet cleaner here, cart from out of Toledo, Ohio. All right. All right. So this thing is a thing of the past. Okay. There's another thing I told you here. This we're in I think it was 4-bedroom hallway, 4-bedroom hallway home here. All right. So the pricing for this one here, as today, we got 3, 4 rooms. All right. This room up here would actually count as 2, but because it's a repeat customer, we're going to charge them just one for one room, okay? So we got 4 rooms here, so this is where we're at with the pricing, okay? That's what we're looking at here. We're at $260 for the cleaning, and that's not including the pet treatment here as well. Pet odor enzyme treatment, that's $50 per area. We're not going to go ahead and charge them every area because it's a repeat customer. This gives you an idea. You know, if you're willing to get in carpet cleaning, get started. This machine right here, I bought this used. It's a little beat up, but I bought it for $450 from Home Depot, okay? Just to get started. It still works great. That's why we're still using it today. We'll clean it up, brush it up, maybe repaint it or whatever, make it look good for the videos. But not that being said, here's what the pad looks like, all right? I used this one a little earlier today. That's where all your dirt and everything goes to. Everyone's like, where does it go to? It gets extracted into the pad. Look at this. We have some chips in here, got a couple wood chips and all that stuff. There's some hair, okay? There's even a staple in here, okay? This pad picks everything up, all right? It's technology, okay? It gets better and better every year, all right? We're in 2023. You've seen that old picture I showed you. All right, we have SpaceX. If you don't know what SpaceX is, well, of course, that's a military branch of the space now, okay? So we're fighting wars in space. So if we can fight those wars in space, then we can fight these carpets right here on your carpet or on your floor without any steam, all right? So it's all about using the technology, mixing up the chemicals, knowing what you're doing. And these carpets are going to dry in 1 hour, all right? Stay tuned. I'll let you show the process. I'm not going to show you this room here because there's not a lot of stains. But once we get to this next room and then also the living room, which is a high traffic area, I'll show you all that. All right, stay tuned. All right, check out here. Here's the last room we're in. All right, get the good look at how it looks. All these stains. We're gonna go ahead and get this tackled. All right, we're gonna tackle this here. Stay tuned and I'll show you how it comes along. It's wet. She's horrible. So we got half of our quarter of the carpet done here. You can see where we're at. Like I said, I'll stand back in the corner where I was at. All right, you remember what it looked like before. All right, now that's what we're looking at, where the buffer is, that nice line here. Okay. You see what we're looking at here, like it doesn't really look, it's still dark in some areas, okay? One here, it doesn't look that dark in person. One reason is it looks different on the camera. This is synthetic carpet. All synthetic carpets have special polymers in there inside, or not polymers, but the strains, synthetic fibers. It looks different inside the camera, okay? Just the technology and the way our cameras are, things just appear different on the camera. But long story short here, you can see, it still looks a little dark in some areas. That's because it's due to the traffic, okay? High traffic areas, this carpet's a little beaten down really bad. You can see in this area here, I'll show you, we have, it's nice and loose up here, up against the wall. Look, you got the fiber strands still standing up. And over here, where it was rough at, so a little dark, they're sitting down, almost like it's a glue down carpet, okay? So you have a little bit of that there going on, just the wear and tear of the carpet. It's been down for a while, walking on it, okay? And then we also have fiber distortion, okay? What that fiber distortion is some irregularities, all right, appearances inside of the carpet pile, all right? So just the way the carpet's looking, the way it stands, it'll look a little bit different, okay? But we're still tackling it here. Like I said, we're halfway. We're getting it done. Those dark areas are coming a little lighter. Also with our cleaner here, whenever the person moves in, it's still going to continue to clean when we're gone, okay? We have special polymers that the cleaner leaves behind. No residue, we won't fill it, safe for kids and pets, but it's still going to continue to clean as we're gone, all right? That's why some of the hotels and different things that we do, they last Instead of hotels getting them done quarterly with a steam cleaner, we're only doing them every 6 months, okay? And the carpets look great. I have a video that we're going to post here a little bit later. What we're going to do here is going to go ahead and get you a, I'm going to show you the difference at a movie theater, okay? We do this movie theater once a year. I'll be posting that soon here within this next 2 days. Keep an eye out for that. And just check it out. It's a Colonial, I'll put on there, Colonial Park Movie Theater. That'll be the title, and you'll see the difference in the carpet, okay? I love doing that part because that one is really turns out really well. All right, so I'm going to get to it here. We're going to go ahead and get out of here soon. Been here for about an hour and a half. Just make sure we get it done correctly. And stay tuned. And the last video I want to show you is the end results. All right, this is Brandon with Be Clean. And as you can see, we're all finished with the carpet here in the corner. There's the before and after. I think it turned out really great. This person did have some pets, so check out the bathrooms and hallways here. All right, so we worked on the odor. All the pet stains are out. If you remember this room, it had a little blue stain in there. You kind of still see it a little bit from the camera, but it came right on up, so that was great. That's also, we got this room here. I mean, everything just looks really good. Well, discoloration here, that's just from the window, okay? It's from the, is it the window? Yeah, it's from the window. Just the coloring, so everything's all good and clean there. All right, and like I said, with our process, it only takes 1 hour to dry. There's special cleaners that we have polymers inside of it, so when the person comes, they're vacuuming, once a week, twice a week, whatever it is, they'll go ahead and they'll get all those, still continue to pick up dirt. No residue or anything of that sort. I'm gonna pick up some of this trash and we're gonna head out. So if you're in the Harrisburg, Lancaster, York area, if you're looking for any work, janitorial, any type of cleaning, go ahead and give us a call and let us know. If there's something you want to see in the comments, of course, let us know that as well. And we'll go ahead and try to cater to you and give you some more entertainment. All right, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals, and we'll see you in the next video.